This is our ShelterLogic 10 by 20 feet max AP large portable garage. It's a car canopy, it's a sun shelter. We have had this shelter up for a year now and it has been so nice. We don't have space in our garage for all of our cars, so I park the van under this, and it's a good sized minivan and it fits without a hitch. No problems, which means no snow, no rain on my windshield. And this probably isn't a permanent shelter for us, but I've been really impressed with how well it's held up in the time we've had it out. We live in a high altitude, arid desert. The UV is unreal strong. Usually things break down after a few months. This tent canopy thing, what do we call this? A canopy? Whatever you want to call it, it has held up beautifully. When we installed ours, we did not want to drill spikes down into our brick or our cement. We opted to anchor these down with buckets of water. We actually put mosquito dunks in these, so they serve a double purpose, and they've worked great. We get really, really high winds where we live. This thing is unflappable. Truly, it has never threatened to so much as lift a single leg, even a little itty bit off the ground. These bungees are nice and strong. They've held out without any issue. And this has been through heavy rain and heavy snow. I will say that when it snows and rains a lot, sometimes these will kind of pull down and collect a bit of water. I come by with a broom and just gently push it out, splash it down, and we've never had any issues with it tearing, breaking, or threatening to do any of those things. Fits my minivan with no issues and a whole lot more. There's plenty of space left over. You might even be able to fit 2 small cars. It may not be the most classy carport you've ever seen, but this tent canopy has made a massive difference in the quality of my daily life. My husband and I put it together easily, just the 2 of us. I think I could have actually done it by myself, but definitely better to have a little help. I love ours, and hopefully this was helpful to you.